Hello students, today we will read the poem entitled The Solitary Reaper. It was composed by the great romantic poet William Wordsworth. As you all know, he was William Wordsworth was born in 1770, and in 1787 he proceeded to the university where he joined St. John's College, Cambridge. But he made no mark there. So, he, like many other young men of his time, he was also filled with enthusiasm for the French Revolution. And in 1797, he became acquainted with Samuel Taylor Coleridge. So, in 1798, appeared in famous volume of poems entitled Lyrical Ballads. It contained poems by Coleridge and William Wordsworth both. For some time he resided at Grasmere, then he moved to Ellenbank in 1808. There also lived or visited Southey, Coleridge, De Quincey and Wilson. All these poets formed what the reviewers called the Lake Schools of Poets. In 1813, Wordsworth settled in Rydal Mount, which continued to be his residence until his death. As you all know, he is the greatest poet of nature in the English language, and his most famous poems are Excursion, The Preludes, Ode on Intimation of Immortality, and he has wrote many sonnets. The Solitary Reaper is one of his most famous short poems. The Solitary Reaper is a poem by William Wordsworth, and it was inspired by his trip to Scotland in 1803 with his sister Dorothy Wordsworth. This poem was first published in 1807. In the poem, the speaker tries and he fails to describe the song he heard a young woman singing as she cuts grain in the Scottish field. The speaker does not understand the song, he cannot tell what it was about, nor can he find the language to describe its beauty. He finds that the traditional poetic metaphors for a beautiful song fail him. The poet thus calls implicitly for a new kind of poetry, one that is better able to approximate and describe the pure, unpretentious beauty of the reaper song. So, in this poem, the poet is describing the beauty of the music and the effect of music, that how music leaves its mark on the heart of a man, because even after so many years of listening this song, poet did not uh, forget this song and this girl who was singing in a field in Scotland. So we will discuss the poem in the next video.